A little while ago talked about their new product and what this is, if I can open it up. You guys remember those things, hoverboards, from like a couple years ago? Well, this company decided to make not a hoverboard, no my friend, hover shoes. Yes! As you guys can see right there, it says hover shoes, and it's from a company called Koowheel. Alright, so right on top we have a little pamphlet, hover shoes instructions. Here, I think we have a bag for the hover shoes. And then, it's the main event. So here's the first one, here's the second one, and then I think these two boxes have the charging cables. So right off the bat, these feel really solid. To be honest with you guys, I wasn't sure what to expect when they said they're gonna send these out to me, and I'm really surprised. They do feel really high quality. It's made out of metal almost completely. It's definitely got some weight to it, which on the surface you'd think is a bad thing, but in actuality, it's a good thing because you want a product like this to be sturdy. And when it's heavy like this, it means it's using metal, and that's actually a good thing to have. So I think that's enough yappering away. Let's actually try out these shoes. So there's just a little button on the side. Push on for that one. Since they're disconnected, you have to power them both on individually. So I'm thinking this should be like a normal hoverboard. It's just disconnected. So I'm pretty good on the hoverboard. Hopefully I'll be pretty good at this. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Okay, I got it. And there's the next one. Whoa! 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 This is not good. Slowly. Oh, okay. Alright, hey guys, how's it going? I'm from 2031 because I'm riding hover shoes. Ah! Oh, whoa. Okay, stay calm, Andrew, stay calm. Oh, I gotta just ease forward. There we go. Okay. Woo. So it kind of seems like the key is, from what I can tell, that the key is to kind of keep your shoulders above it. Because once they go off from underneath your shoulders, you kind of lose control. This is nuts. This is crazy, dude. I'm really getting the hang of it now. It's a little bit weird at first, but it's a lot like a hoverboard. Whoa! Alright, so far this is a 10 out of 10, my dudes. This is great. Alright, so this is my first time vlogging on the hover shoes. Feels pretty smooth, almost did the splits. Overall, I feel really good, and let's actually do some more tests with it and take it outside and see how it does out there. Parker, look at these hover shoes, my dude. This is probably a bad idea. No. Whoa, come back, oh! Look at me go. I'm getting the hang of it. That's so cool, dude. It is so cool. They're so much better than like a normal hoverboard or something like that. These things I think are pretty much made actually for like tricking and doing tricks and stuff like that. The board's actually separated. There's so much more room for like creativity and freestyling and stuff like that. I'm gonna head back to the house, and overall guys, these things feel amazing.